Okay, hi, dear students. How to use Seduca? Well, you're going to find your community of your level and group, and another community about self-access center. In this case, we are not going to use the self-access center community, just the one of our level or an our group. To show you uh, how it works, I'm going to use a past community, in this case English 5, C1, and well, there, okay, this is an interactive ebook, so I'm going to ask you to use it as a book. You can see the arrows and you can change the pages as I am doing this, but okay, I'm going to close this thing. The first thing you are going to see this, the way of life. It's a book, as you can see, it's just a book. It's the same format as any other book, changing pages. As you can see, it can say not found, but at the end it upload the page, and you can change. Most of the activities are they give you the grade in no time automatically, so you can be changing. This is a very important thing that I have to teach you. That is a book, and that you can answer. For example, I haven't read, so I'm just answering randomly, and this case, this it's just random. Okay, and you give check, and it shows you which one is correct and which one is incorrect. Seduca is sensible to capital letters, to punctuations, and no accents. Okay, so in this case I got 20%, and that's my grade, is on the first attempt. In here in Estructura Temática, you can find the units, and you can change per unit. In this case, I went to unit 3. I closed that thing, that square, and again, as if it were a book. Okay, in this case, is unit 3. There you have the activities, some listening, some other things that you may need, and you have to answer. Then in Módulo Introductorio, well, you have the methodology, the content, the evaluation, by bibliography, and some other materials. And another thing that is important is this, actividades en comunicación. I have actividades del profesor and actividades del estudiante. If I go to this kind of activities, well, you can see that you are going to find the activity, the exercise. You are going to see the date, the day it starts, and the due date, and if it is in red, it hasn't been done. In yellow is that it was done on time, and in green that it has been it has been given. And if you have the tick, it means that I have graded. Okay, in this case, for example, exercise 49 and 50, it's rated, and we have different kind of activities. As you can see, if you pay attention more, most of them is a guy, as in this case. Sorry, I'm going to go back. It's a doll. Okay, exercise 55, exercise 56, they are auto-gradable activities. We have some balloons as forum introduction, or SAC, or disciplinary project, that are forums. You have to write there, and I'm going to answer, or some other classmate may answer. And we have, as in the second midterm test, this figure that is the test. I'm going to show you other kind of activities here. Well, if it is a forum, a portfolio, in the case of a portfolio, you cannot answer anything. It's just for your teacher, so she can't write down your grade. We have wikis, we have presentials that may be carried on or synchronic video conferences. We are not going to use the video conferences here. We are just going to use the Teams, okay? And when you finish your activity, for example, in this case, the classwork, I can grade here. I can change the grades, okay? So they are going to be graded by your teacher. For example, imagine you are here in these activities and you want to answer this exercise 15, and it change it and gives you this square. And if you give exercise 15, it gives you this advice, and of course you have to go back to Seduca, to your book, and look for this exercise and answer it. In this case is this, okay? You answer, and as you answer, I will receive your grade. I don't know, if you have any other doubt, please contact your teacher. That means me.